Hi, grade 4th. In previous class of English, I have started poem. I have started textbook Marigold, and I have explained you poem Wake Up, and we have also highlighted our new words, and you must have written that in your notebook. Today we'll just quickly revise the poem again. Let's learn and recite. Wake up. The boy is telling is to wake up. Wake up, wake up. It's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. This boy is calling us for. This boy is telling us to wake up early, and he is calling us to play. The birds are singing on the trees, and you can hear the buzzing bees. He is telling that birds are singing on the tree, and even bees are buzzing. Wake up, wake up. It's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. It's much too late to lie in the bed, so hurry up, you sleepyhead. This boy is telling us the sleepyhead. Sleepyhead means we are not at all waking up early, so he's telling us to wake up fast. Wash and dress and come on out. Everyone is up and about. They are telling us that we have to get up early, get ready by bathing, taking a bath, and wearing new clothes. That's washed clothes, and the cows, the horses, the ducks, and the sheep, the tiniest chickens, chip chip chip. Means everyone has waken up, and now it's our time to wake up, get ready, and come out to play. Who is the poet of the poem? C. Fletcher is the poet of the poem. Now, this is the textual exercise question answers. Number 1. What do you think birds says to each other in the morning? So the answer is, I think bird says good morning to each other. I think bird says good mornings to each other. Who are already awake? The answer is birds, bees, cows, horses, ducks, sheep, and chickens are already awake. Number 3. Which creatures wake up in the morning before the child does? Which creatures wakes up in the morning before the child does? जब बच्चा उठता है उसके पहले कौन कौन उठ जाता है? So the answer is birds, bees, cows, horses, ducks, sheep, and the chicken wake up in the morning before the child does. Yes? This is our question answers from the textbook. This question answers you will write in your notebook. Now, let's listen. Number 1. Listen to the song of the birds. Say the words boy and bee. Listen to the bird sound in the we have to read this poem, and we have to just focus on the sound b. Sound b. Right? Listen to the b sound. What the sound b has? It's b. See this. Big. Bubble. Bin. Bag. Blue. Blow. Black. Yes? These are some of the words beginning with letter B, sound B. Now, what you have to do is, you have to practice these words, as well as you can find many more words from sound B, and you can recite it, and you can say aloud all the words properly, so your pronunciations could be better. Now, listen to the baby chicks. Chip, chip, chip. Now, how they are saying? Here, baby chicks are saying chick, chick, chick. The same you can practice with some other animals also. Maybe a kitten, maybe a puppy. Yes, you can try this activity by yourself. Now, let's listen and talk. Go for a morning walk. Listen to the sounds here like of rustling leaves. What do you mean by rustling leaves? जब हवा आती है तब जो leaves की आवाज़ आती है, that is called rustling of leaves. The wind blowing, जो हवा चलती है उसका आवाज़ कैसा होता है. The chirping birds, chirping of birds. Birds जब चहकते हैं, chirping means चहकना. Birds जब चहकते हैं तो आवाज़ कैसी आती है. The sounds of footsteps, हम चलते हैं तो कैसे आवाज़ आती है. Yes, तो आप ये खुद ट्राई कर सकते हो. आप कभी मॉर्निंग वॉक पे जाओ और एकदम ध्यान से ये सारी आवाज़ सुनने की कोशिश करो और आके अपना एक्सपीरियंस अपने फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली के साथ शेयर करो. नाउ इमेजिन दैट अ काउ, अ हॉर्स, अ डक एंड द चिकन्स आर मीटिंग फॉर अ मॉर्निंग मील. आप इमेजिन करो कि एक काउ, एक हॉर्स, एक डक और एक चिकन मॉर्निंग मील मतलब सुबह के खाने के लिए मीटिंग कर रहे हैं, मिल रहे हैं. what do they say to one another? Talk it about. मतलब आप ऐसा अज्यूम करो कि ये चारों मिल रहे हैं खाना खाने के लिए, तो ये क्या बातें करेंगे. दिस इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द एक्टिविटी यू कैन ट्राई बाय योर सेल्फ. यस, इसमें भी कह सकते हैं कि चलो आज खाना खाते हैं, आज ये करेंगे. हम हिंदी में बात कर रहे हैं, वो लोग अपनी लैंग्वेज में बातें करेंगे. यस, नाउ दिस इज कॉल्ड टंग ट्विस्टर. टंग ट्विस्टर क्या होता है, जिसमें एक जैसा साउंड कई बार रिपीट होता है. यस, जब हम बोलने में ब्लफ करें उसे टंग ट्विस्टर कहते हैं. यस, नाउ Betty bought a bit of butter, but the bit of butter that Betty bought was bitter. So Betty bought some better butter to make the bitter butter better. Yes, ये एक्टिविटी आप अपना वीडियो बना के मुझे भेज सकते हो. दिस इज कॉल्ड टंग ट्विस्टर. टंग ट्विस्टर आपको दो चीज में हेल्प करेगा. एक, आपके प्रोनाउंसिएशंस क्लियर करेगा. दूसरा, आपका कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ाएगा. हम बोलने में जितनी ज़्यादा गड़बड़ करते हैं हम उतनी ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, और जितनी ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करते हैं उतना ही फ्लुएंसी ऑफ स्पीकिंग इन इंग्लिश और कॉन्फिडेंस दोनों बढ़ता है. यस, आई विल रीड अगेन फॉर यू. Betty bought a bit of butter, but the bit of butter that Betty bought was bitter. So Betty bought some better butter to make the bitter butter better. Yes, if you want, you can make a video of this and you can send it me in my personal chat. I'll try to share in our group. Yes, so that's it for the day. And your today's homework is you have to write just 3 question answers in your notebook, and you will practice all this listening and speaking skills. Yes, that's it for the day. Goodbye everyone. Bye.